Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Harish Teneti, maxillofacial surgeon, and someone asked me this question: what should first year BDS students do? You know, how should they proceed? How should they, go about the first year? So this video is for all those first year BDS students, right? I'm not doing this for first year BDS subscribers. So remember this: first year BDS students have some rules to follow. They have seniors who drag them, and they will be future seniors for the upcoming juniors. So first year is a very important year, I feel. And I'm doing this video really from my heart. Okay, so first years actually should not worry about, or they should not think about the job opportunities or what should they do after 5 years. They should not worry about all that. All they have to worry about is anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, DADH. That's it. That's it. Nothing else should ever come up to your mind now. All you have to do is work hard towards anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and its application part. How does your anatomy in first year help you in your, suppose you become a maxillofacial surgeon, or you become endodontist. How does it help actually your anatomy? How does it clinically apply when you come to your final year or when you become doctor? That's most important thing. So I want you to think in these terms, and when you are studying, you should study the clinical application part also and become very thorough in anatomy. Those who are strongest in anatomy, physiology, biochemistry are always fantastic. They lead. You see this, you observe this if you want. Those who are first rankers or those who are distinction students in the first year will stay distinction students for almost till final year, unless they are very very out of subject or they are leaving the college. They generally are successful. They get distinctions in the final year also, because the first impression is the best impression always. So you have to keep this in mind, right? So always remember this: first year is your time to put that mark on staff's minds. So do your best. Even a small unit test, a small class test, a small question answer session, give your best. Read a lot. Anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, DADH is your life. It will give you so much of grip in your clinical matters. So always do this. Always study hard in your first year. That's very very important. Be strong. Become mentally strong. For small things, stop crying. You should not cry for anything. Okay, stop crying and become mentally strong. I want you to remember this. I want you to understand this. Become mentally strong. You always have to choose a mentor, and put yourself in his shoes and envision yourself to be, suppose you want to earn money, select a doctor who is rich. Okay, suppose you want to be a good clinician, select a doctor, dentist who is a good clinician, and envision yourself to be like that. Suppose you want to be an educator, you want to teach students, you have to envision yourself like that. Or suppose you want to be subject expert, choose that. So select a mentor and follow them blindly. Even though you don't go to them, you have to follow them mentally. If you do that, you will be really really successful. So I'm telling you, first year onwards, you should select a mentor and follow them blindly, right? You need not physically go to them or talk to them. You can follow them mentally. Remember this. And I want you to implement this. This will help you a lot. The other thing first years must and should do is, all your 2 years of preparation, long term preparation and all, you must have put on weight, nice tummy and all. Go for run, jog, exercise, meditate, pick up yourself, become fit. You are going to be a future doctor, so I want you to be fit, healthy. Okay, whatever health problems you have, sort them off, sort it out immediately. Okay, there is no problem in this world which doesn't have a solution. Okay, so solve it. Try to solve your health problems, take proper care, eat well, be strong. Okay, remember this. And jog, run, meditate, and don't tell this reason, I come from a poor family, I have a loan. Okay, everyone has their own set of problems. So stop thinking that you are only the person in this entire world who is having problems. Stop being in that mode. You are not alone. Everyone in this world has problems. Okay, so because you come from a poor family, because you have some financial restrictions, stop talking negative about yourself. Okay, remember this and follow it. And the final thing, first years, skill is everything. Improve your skill, okay, in anything you do. Anatomy, I want you to eat, chew, digest Chaurasya. Okay, volume 1 to 3, all three. Physiology, Sembulingam. I think that's a fantastic book. Don't go for any other books. Okay, Sembulingam is more than enough. And then you have this biochemistry. People say biochemistry is dry, tough, or you cannot volatile, you cannot retain it. I want you to stick things to wall, keep revising it and learn. You know, you become great when you do what is tough. So do what is tough. I was topper in all three, so I want you to do that also. Okay, so biochemistry, U Satyanarayana, more than enough. Beautiful book, it will be helpful for you lifetime. So if you can master these three, I think you'll be a fantastic dentist. And don't think about so long. You know what, I don't even know that there is some course called MDS when I was doing BDS. Okay, so you need not be so you know uh, forwardly thinking. Not required. You be at the present, do best in whatever you can do. Suppose you want to construct a house, you know, each brick whatever you are placing, put it to the best effort. Whatever you are doing, do it thoroughly with your best, you know, mind, heart and soul. Then I think everything will fall in place. Doors automatically open when you cross each level. So don't worry, be in good company. Stay away from alcohol, smoke. You know, these things doesn't make you great, they make you waste. Okay, even though you become so great in life, still you are addicted to a glass of wine, water, or wine, beer or something, then you are waste. Okay, you should be strong without any addiction. So stay away from that. Don't think you can do anything once you join you know, professional courses. So all the best. And first years, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I'll definitely try to answer your questions, right? Anything else you want me to make a video on, or you want me to answer, I'm here for your help, right? Thank you so much for patient listening.